Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is on manicure. So we are going to be shaping our nails, removing cuticles, scrubbing in our hands and others. So if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, and let's start the video. So I will first start by removing my gel polish. I've done a video on how to remove gel polish at home without breaking or harming your nails, so that's easy. Then I'm going to shape my nails using this nail cutter. Ensure that your nail cutter is sharp to enhance a smooth cut. Remember, if you don't cut your nails and they are not in good shape, they can lead to brittleness and all that. So cutting the ends, not so much. Then we file so as to shape. I don't know which shape is this, but I love my nails looking like that, kind of oval. Yes, can you see that? That's the shape I was going on with. Then I'm going to remove my cuticles. I'm using a cuticle cutter to just remove the cuticles, and if you look very carefully, you can see how dry they were. I've just decided to do a dry manicure without even first of all soaking and all that. It works. And especially if you have mastered the act of removing cuticles, it becomes so easy. Cuticles at a dead skin allow the nails at times they become so dry, and you can only realize this if you have not oiled your hands. If you oil your hands, you are not going to realize you have cuticles and dead skin allowed your nails. But when the hands are dry, you'll see some whitish thin and very hard veins around the nails. Then after that, I'm using my cuticle pushers to just push the cuticles and just ensure that I've gotten all cuticles off my nails, my nail plate. Yeah. So this is easy because already I've removed most of it, so I'll be removing whatever is left behind. Ensure that you don't hurt your cuticles because it can lead to infection. Then I buffer to just get a smooth look. Then after that, I'm going to use thunder ash. And then I mix it with the shampoo. I'm mixing it on my hands because the hands are going to use the to do the work of the scrubbing. So this is what I will be scrubbing my hands with. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment below and tell me what do you think of this manicure. So guys, the reason why I've used soda ash is because it enhances in the removal of dead skin and yeah, smoothening of the hands in general. Then after that, we rinse using very clean water. And we are halfway done, guys. We are halfway done. The only thing that is remaining now is to just oil our hands and at the same time oil our cuticles. It's important because we have done a lot of work on those cuticles, so it's very important to oil them. So we just apply lanolin. Lanolin is very good with cuticles, so you can use it, and then moisturize our hands in general. So you're going to massage everywhere using that lanolin or any other cuticle oil that you have. You can use it. So today I want my hands to kind of breathe without any polish, and therefore I'm not going to apply any polish for now. And this is the result. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm hoping that you have subscribed. Bye bye until my next video.